Hi, everybody. It's cleared up out here. It was raining earlier, but it's time for Take a Walk with Me, Doctor's Orders. So I'm just going to walk again down to the end of the road today, but I'm going to get the garbage can. It's on wheels and it's not very heavy, so I can do it. So, but listen to these birds since it cleared up and got sunny out. Beautiful. It's got to be in the upper 60s already. I put this little coat thing on. I don't think I needed it. Of course, Joy told me to put it on. I hear Dove. Oh yeah, the birds are loving it. Everybody's happy the sun's out. I'm gonna have to find out when the last frost is supposed to be so I can plant some seeds. I like to plant some flower seeds too. Can't wait till I can get to where I can sit like I did last year with the garden going and everything, and I'd sit out here in the morning and do devotions. It was just awesome with all the birds and everything. I don't know what they're doing over here. They're doing something. Must be working on his house or something. Oh, it's Atlas. Gas. I wonder why they're over his house like that. That's unusual. Maybe he had a leak sometime. Take it over here. Easier to get up this way. Nice day. Glad it cleared up. It was so depressing being so overcast and rainy. This bush needs trim. I think I can do it. My brother will help me with a lot of stuff. He'll help me with the garden too. don't know if I can push it in there. There we go. Oh, sit down for a minute now. I'll tell you what, these birds are awesome right now. So I'm going to let y'all listen to them for a few minutes. I go get my coffee. Well, everybody, I thought you would enjoy listening to the birds. They sound so good since it got sunny out. Hope you enjoyed and the walk with me, and I hope you do walk with me while you're watching this today. It's not only good for me, it's good for everyone. So later on, we'll probably go ahead and do an afternoon coffee break. This wasn't really a coffee break, this was my walk. And I've got some jokes and a fact of the day. So we'll see everybody then. Please press that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so that you get all my videos as soon as they come out. Everybody have a great day, and I'll see you later on. And don't forget, Logan's Awesome Snack Reviews tonight. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.